Stand clear of the closing doors! This video is one of my 10-chapter series exploring Las Vegas, focusing on public transportation, how it works, and why it's getting worse. Before we begin our ride, let me introduce myself. I'm Transit Nomad, a world traveler, business owner, music composer, filmmaker, and life coach on a mission to explore cities through the lens of public transportation. Please consider paying your fare by liking and subscribing or buying me a coffee using the link below. All aboard, let's go! Our next chapter is reliability, accountability, and customer service. Based on my research and personal experience, Las Vegas bus network is not reliable. Just a couple of months ago, it took me about an hour to catch the Deus bus from Fremont Street Experience to Las Vegas Strip. I wish it were a one-time situation, but it's not. During my previous visit, there were no buses going in the opposite direction from the Strip to downtown. It wasn't even that late at night. I think I left my hotel at around 9 p.m. After waiting for Deus for about 30 minutes, I had to run all the way to downtown to be on time for the concert that I wanted to attend. If anyone from RTC ever watches this video, I would like to ask you to please work a little bit harder and learn from other cities. Hundreds of thousands of people are using your services every day, and it's not okay to treat them this way. There are many complaints about buses not following schedules, being overcrowded, or not stopping even during daytime. And this applies to many different routes across the city, not just the Deus line. Speaking of routes, it's been many years after COVID and the highly needed SDX route has not been brought back. It used to be a much faster and more convenient alternative to taking the Deus, which is slowed down dramatically by drivers checking fares while allowing people to board only through the front doors. I've seen drivers being stressed out and frustrated having to deal with traffic and passenger fares. I don't understand why it's so difficult to let passengers board buses using all doors, while having the 300 transit security officers who are already present at bus stops check for fares. They could even sell passes inside buses for an extra fee, making more money for the transit agency. And those who are in a rush would pay a little more. It's no big deal and win-win for everyone. To make a long story short, if Las Vegas could bring back the same bus service it had 10 years ago, things would be better. But at this time, Las Vegas public transportation reliability, accountability, and customer service get a score of 3 out of 10. And now I have a question. Did you know that you can watch the entire Las Vegas video without having to wait for short segments to be released over time? It's much more enjoyable that way, and it's a great way to support my channel to help me make more videos like this. If that sounds like a win-win, please head over to buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad or click on the link below, where you can make a one-time donation for any amount of your choice or subscribe for a membership. It's a great opportunity to connect with like-minded people while enjoying private discussions, live streams, group calls, exclusive content with early access, and the option for direct one-on-one consulting with me, covering everything I know about trip planning, budgeting, productivity, nomadic living, dating, communication, business development, project management, marketing, photography, videography, music production, and other skills. As you can imagine, making videos like this takes forever, not to mention the actual cost of travel, so any contribution would be a huge help. Our next chapter is traffic speed, infrastructure, and city mobility.